Steps in using Find the Words as the H5P interactive content. I will edit first the topic name to interactive content. Okay, so the first step in adding Find the Words activity is to click Add an activity or resource. Then after that, locate the color black icon H5P interactive content. After clicking, as you observe, all you have to do is to wait for the editor part to load. Then, we will find the words activity. For you to locate the activity easily, you could click A to Z so that the activities would be on an alphabetical order. Okay, so I will click now the Find the Words. After that, you could edit the title. For example, in here, I will put Find the Words. But it depends upon you what would be the title for your activity. Then the task description would be the direction. Next would be word list. In word list, these are the following words that you want your student to search in your given activity. Make sure in encoding the word list, you put mango, comma, apple, comma, orange. So there should be no spaces among the three. Then save and return to course. So after editing the given activity, you could try to open Find the Words. Okay, so the activity is here already. So there would be a directions, then the students will locate or find the mango, apple, and orange. So there would be time spent automatically and there would be score given to the students. This is Find the Words H5P interactive content.